Hi, and thanks for taking the time to allow me to share with you more about the neurological integration system that's helped thousands of people just like you take back control of their own health. Neurological Integration System, or NIS, is a safe, non-invasive system of healthcare based on proven principles of neuroscience. We know that the brain monitors and controls the function of every cell in the body. A lot of healthcare problems arise when that communication between the brain and the body breaks down due to things like toxicity, trauma, stress, and even infection. Your brain is sending signals to every cell in your body. In return, those cells are sending information right back to the brain. So we've got this continuous flow of information between the brain and the body. Your brain is monitoring thousands of these neurological circuits each and every second. And NIS allows me to test this neurological circuitry to see if it's working correctly. What I'd like to do is demonstrate how we test this neurological circuitry using NIS. In NIS, we use a simple muscle test as a neurophysiological response to evaluate whether or not your neurological circuits are working properly. And I'd like to demonstrate that on Candace right now. So I'm going to ask you to lie on your back for me, Candace. I like to use an arm muscle. It's just convenient. And all I'm going to do is just put a little bit of pressure on the arm and see if she can maintain strength. This tells me that the muscle's switched on right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap both sides of her body simultaneously to see whether or not her brain can process that sensory information or not. So let's bring your arm up. We're going to do a little tap, and the arm weakens. What that tells me is that her body is not processing sensory information in a normal fashion. Basically, what we've done is overloaded her neurological circuitry by doing this. So what I would want to do is go on and test various reflex points associated with organs, glands, muscles, tendons, ligaments, even areas of the brain itself. And once we find and correct all these neurological circuits, we could go back and retest here, and we should find that her body can now handle a normal sensory input. I invite you to call the number on your screen to have your neurological circuitry tested as soon as possible. I'm on a mission to change how healthcare is perceived and delivered in this country. And we've created a community of patients who experience healthcare in a new way. And I invite you to become a member of that community.